If you have ever tried to remove a stubborn bottom bracket, it's very easy for the special removal tool to jump out of the bottom bracket and damage the splines of the tool. So I thought there must be a better way, and got thinking maybe my impact wrench would do the job, and it turns out it's the only way I remove bottom brackets now. The most common bottom bracket has 20 splines, and the Park Tool BBT22 is a good quality tool for the job. I always make sure the splines on the bottom bracket are clean and that the tool fits securely before attaching my impact wrench. Then I start with the right-hand side. Most modern common frames use a left-hand thread on the drive side of the bike. This means you tighten it by turning it counterclockwise and loosen it by turning it clockwise. So make sure your wrench is going clockwise. I use small bursts of impact, and with the downward force, the tool never jumps out of the splines. Once the right side is out, I flip the frame. Make sure you reverse and test the direction of the impact wrench for the right-hand threads, and then go ahead and remove the left side. I hope this helps if you've been struggling with removing bottom brackets, as I did in the past. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.